Hey guys, it's Xavier at Muscle Car Concepts. I'll be explaining this 1982 Chevy Camaro pace car and what our plans are with it. We are going to throw a Z20. We are going to throw LS into the engine bay since this crossfire injection is not it. It just doesn't work. So the engine bay is going to be all cleaned up, painted, pristine looking. Then these wheels are just not it. So the boys at Muscle Car Concepts got some temporary wheels sitting over here, mate. Right here. They're gonna look pretty good on the car as a temporary wheel. Don't mind the hiccups. Ugh. Oh, good sir. We are going to get on the interior. That door is ruined. It's like rusting inside of the door down there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Pretty bad down there. You always can't see that. All right, we're gonna explain this interior. It looks bad right now, I know, but we're gonna be replacing all the interior, making it look pretty again. I think we're throwing a manual in her. I don't know for sure. She's just gonna look new. The floor pans are gonna get replaced. The everything's gonna get replaced. I don't know what we're doing with the rear end of it. I'm sure we'll be throwing a different rear end in it since we're going to be making a lot more power. Throwing a different transmission in there too. So I'm sure everything on this car is going to be not stock anymore. Maybe. You know what, guys? I'm not a Chevy fan. I'm like, in all reality, really not. I hate Camaros. But man, this Camaro and the 68 that's sitting inside right now, my heart has them. I love them. Like my own children. I don't even own the cars and I love them. Crazy how that works. But I'm still a Ford guy at heart. Can't switch that up. But we have big plans for these. Thank you for watching. We will keep you guys updated as always. And the whole shop loves you guys. Thank you.